The spinner shown as spun. How many different outcomes are there? Well, one way of keeping track of that would be to draw a grid and have spinner A here and spinner B up here. And spinner A can take the values 1, 2 and 3. Spinner B 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if we were here, that's 1, 1. 1 on spinner A, 1 on spinner B. This would be 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, and 3, 4. And so I can see that there are 12 outcomes. We could have got there more easily, however. There's 3 outcomes on here, and for each of those there are 4 outcomes on there. So that's 3 times 4. A method I quite like to use is something called a box method. We've got 2 things happening. This is what's happening on A, and this is what's happening on B. And we've got 3 outcomes from B and 3 outcomes from A and 4 outcomes from B. And you multiply the things in the box, giving us 12. However, to answer the second part of the question, the grid is useful. So it says, what is the probability that the total of the 2 results is 6? So what could give us 6? Well, 2 and 4 could give us 6. 3 and 3 could give us 6. And those are the only possible outcomes that give us a total of 6. So that's 2 out of 12, which we can cancel down to 1/6.